Welcome back, guys, but as you see, I suck now because we're doing a Noob to Pro series in Bee Swarm Simulator, and it's Beastmas, and it's now time to collect my honey day. So first thing, let's see, will I get a gifted mythic? Yep. That's probably the worst gifted mythic that I could get. So it's time to grab the first black bear quest. I don't want your Beastmas quest. Never gonna complete that. But let's even see. Oh my god, I'm never gonna complete that. No! I gave Black Bear the present! No, man! And by the way, guys, today's goal is to get the vacuum. So it's just time to buy some new slave gear. I mean, gear. I guess I'll get the jar. How much? The vacuum's 14,000. So that seems attainable. Oh my god, on it! Really? You could have done this whenever I was on my main, but no! You had to do it now whenever I'm a noob! What? That guy flying! So I have 10,000 honey, not 14,000 yet. So let me buy a better backpack. And do I have enough for the magnets? Need 500 more honey. Oh. So Brown Bear is the best payer, but I can only do one of his quests per hour. And Black Bear over there is just eating KFC. I am going to murder a whole entire generation if this isn't enough to get the vacuum. Come on, bees, make honey faster! Make honey faster, or you, all three of you don't get fed for a week. How about that? Well, it only looks like Stubborn Bee's getting fed because he's the one that's making the most honey. Here goes, Stubborn Bee. Here's 8 pineapples. And I have enough for the vacuum! Oh my god, finally! It's been like 30 minutes of me recording! And I'm not even gonna edit this tonight! Vacuum! Purchase! Oh my god, I honestly forgot how hard it is to be a noob. Oh my god, the vacuum's OP! But like I said in the beginning, whenever I get the vacuum, it's going to be the end. So this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next.